everyone. Let's continue our chapter fraction. Today we are going to learn about fraction of a group. So fraction can also be used to name some parts of the group. For example, just observe this picture. Here 2 out of 3 kites are red in color. So what we say? We say 2/3 of the kites are red. So for this picture, the fraction is 2 by 3. The fraction for red kites is 2 by 3. Let's see other example. Here we have 4 apples. So out of 4 apples, one is red. So we will say 1/4 of the apples are red. In this case, the fraction for red apple is 1 by 4 because 1 is red in color and 4 are total number of apples. So here you can see fraction is written with two numbers and these are arranged one above the other. And you can see this line. The numbers are separated by a line. So the number above the line is called numerator and the number below the line, that is called denominator. The denominator of a fraction tells the total number of equal parts of that whole. And what numerator tells? Numerator tells the number of parts taken. So in this fraction you can see 5 by 6. 5 is the numerator and 6 the number below the line, that is denominator. Let's see other. 2 by 3. Here numerator is 2, denominator is 3. 1 by 4. Again the number that is above the line, that is 1, and below the line, that is 4, is denominator, 1 is numerator. Let's move on to next. Do you know a fraction represents a division numeral? Just look at this picture. Here we have 4 parts in this box. So total 4 will be its denominator. Out of these 4, one part is shaded. If you will see this division numeral 1 divided by 4, it indicates that out of 4 equal parts, one part is shaded. So this 1 divided by 4 equals to 1 by 4, as they also express the same fact. Let's see other example. Here in this picture 3 apples are taken, so we will write 3 by 4. Fraction is 3 by 4. It equals to 3 divided by 4 because 3 divided by 4 tells that 3 apples out of 4 apples are taken. Both express same fact, so these can be equal to each other. Let's find out fractional part using division. Here you can see Shalini had 6 strawberries. She ate 1/2 of them. So how many did she eat? To find the number of strawberries Shalini ate, divide the strawberries into 2 equal groups and count the numbers in one of these groups. So here you can see one of the 2 equal groups is this one is having 3 strawberries. So half of 6 is 3. Let's see other example. Here we have 9 oranges. Mrs. Sharma had 9 oranges. She gave 1/3 to her neighbor. So how many oranges did she give to her neighbor? To find the number of oranges that she gave, what we will do is we will divide these oranges into 3 equal groups and then count the number in each of these groups. You can see clearly the number of oranges in each group is 3. So Mrs. Sharma gave 3 oranges to her neighbor. We can write like this: 1/3 of 9 is 3. If Mrs. Sharma gave 2/3 of oranges, then we need to count the oranges in 2 groups. 2 groups contain 6 oranges. So 2/3 of 9 equals to 6. 2/3 of 9 equals to 2 multiply 9 divided by 3. So now 2 nines are 18. 18 divided by 3. 3 6 are 18. So here our answer is 6. Let's see other one. Here we have 2 by 3 of 6. 2/3 of 6. So how we can solve it? 2 multiply 6 divided by 3. 2 6 are 12, then divided by 3. So 3 4s are 12. So our answer is 4. So this way we can use division to find the fractional part of any whole number. Do its practice. Thank you.